Hey yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to today's stream. Welcome. Happy Monday, guys. I hope everyone had a great weekend. You used it to go over setups, over trades, to prepare for it today and for this week, guys. I've been great so far. Let me actually open the chat here. Damn, I forgot to open it. Just give me a second here. Yo, what's up, Jazz? I got you. How did I do that again? Wait, let me close this here. Just give me a second, guys. Came in a little unprepared. Kinda. But I believe we got some good opportunities today, if I'm honest. I'm actually already looking at something that I will share with you guys here in a second. Just give me a minute here. Pop out chat. Okay, got it popped out here. Can close this here. Alright, got a chat popped out. I think should be fine. Alright, guys, so without further ado, let's get started with the breakdown here. Let's look at that here. So, gold. Let's start off on high time frames actually. So actually let's go ahead and go to the daily here. So daily, we are currently bullish. We created a higher high. This was the previous high. We created a higher high, and now we're coming back down into this previous daily market structure. So this area right here could actually be a potential higher low, right? Either here, or if price would like to continue lower, this could also be another higher low area from where we could expect and maybe anticipate a bounce to the upside and price to create a new higher high after that, because the daily is bullish. So knowing that the daily is bullish, let's actually go down into the 4 hour. So the 4 hour right now is coming in with a lot of bearish volume, but as of right now we are still holding above the support at 2664. So based off this support, obviously if it holds, we could maybe anticipate a possible buy position based off the support if it can hold, and if on the low time frames we can break structure to the upside. So that's basically what I'm also waiting for right now. Now if this candle should just break in the next 7 minutes and close under this area and under the EMA, then I will basically wait for a short-term pullback, wait for a possible entry for a short-term sell back down into this area. And now once price approaches 26.45, here's where we could also be looking to take buys back up into 26.64 at least. But I'll be honest, coming into the market today, my bias overall is a little more bullish than bearish. So basically, based off the support right here, we could, look for a possible entry. Now, this already rejected 3 times. So basically, if you are feeling aggressive, this was already a possible entry confirmation. Now, for me, I'm personally still waiting for the break of structure, because as of right now, on the 5 and on the 3 minute, the structure is still bearish. So if we look at this from this perspective, we have a lower low, lower high, equal low, lower high, lower low, right? So what I want price to do right now is basically break these highs and close above. And if we can close above, then I will wait for a pullback right into this line, get in on one position here. If we should get a steeper pullback and then another rejection somewhere here, then one could look to possibly re-enter on a position and take buys up at least into, let's look at the targets here. So at least into the EMA, right? Because based off the EMA, price can just reject and then start dumping back down. So I would target around 2680 up to 2684. That would be the profit target if we're looking to take buys based off the support here. As of right now, it's looking beautiful. We've rejected 3 times this area right now. Possible bullish engulfing on the 15-minute time frame, so that will be a first nice indication for the buys here as well. If that should not happen, guys, and we should just continue dumping to the downside, I will be waiting for a closure below this area, at least in a 1 hour time frame, pullback, retest, and a sell to the downside. But like I said, that only if we see bearish volume kick in, but I am more bullish bias as of right now. You're in a buy since 26.6. Let's go. 26.6. We got it right here. Beautiful entry. Beautiful entry. But yeah, like I said, this entry down here is already valid. This candle is also valid. If you want to be on the safer side, you wait for the breakout structure. But I'm pretty confident that we will see a bullish bounce right here. Pretty confident here. But how has everyone been, guys? What did you do for the weekend? Did you party or did you learn? That's the big question here. Party or learning? Where's my water? Miserable? Oh no, don't say that. Why is that? Why miserable? Oh shit, bro. Okay. Alright, so what time do we have? 4 minutes until 3. I'm liking this, so far it's looking, oh my god, that rejection is beautiful. I also don't want to miss out on the move to the upside, so let's look at that. So we have a possible fair value gap here now. So if price can now close outside like this area here and come back for a pullback right in this area, that would be perfect for me. I will get in here. Stops has to go below the low, right? If we start breaking the lows, then there's a possibility of bouncing. Wait, your husband got in an accident? Oh no. Is he fine though? Or is he still in the hospital? Oh, Jess, you got this. I know you're strong. You got this. Now you just gotta be strong for the fam. Yeah, so our multiple will be at 3.5. Possible. In surgery. Oh, I'm wishing him the best. I'm wishing you guys a lot of positive energy and strength, Jazz. Damn. Oof. But honestly, respect and props that you're still showing up here. Like, that just shows how, you know, what kind of hustler you are. Alright, we're getting the pump, guys. 1.5 minutes for this 15. If this 15-minute bullish engulfs, that is a nice entry signal. That is a nice entry signal if we bullish engulf here. Wait, why is the chart like? I'll put it in the middle here. Just like that. Yep. One minute here. That 30 minute is rejecting super nice as well, and then the 1 hour also, and the 4 hour. I mean, the 4 hour is pretty bearish, but we have all of this room with imbalance to fill, so that's great. Still waiting here. I think yeah, if we bullish and go on the 15, I might give it one entry here, and then if we pull back, I might re-enter on another rejection candle. 10 seconds. It's also still pretty early into the market, and we don't have news, so that's great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we didn't really bullish engulf, but yeah, I'll just give it a shot here for buys. Wait, is that the fair value gap here? $2.4. Yeah, I kind of want to see it pull into the fair value gap now, honestly. Yup, come on. Come down, babe. Alright, I'm in here, guys. Let's see. Let's see. So I got in down here. I did like how strongly bullish the 15 closed. Ideally, obviously, if we get a pullback back in this area, that would be a better R multiple, but I'm fine with the 2.8, around a 2.8. Oh good, Ahmed, don't worry. You know you can always rewatch the recordings afterwards. Shoulder damage, life must go on. I'll take care of the kids and try to make everything as possible. Yeah, Jazz, like I said, I know you're strong. You got this. You got this. And if you ever need help, like, don't be scared to ask for help, you know, wherever you can, family members or friends. Yeah, so let me actually adjust TPs here. So we had a at a 1-to-1 is TP1. TP2, and TP3 was a 2.8, I think, right? Yeah, 2.8. There you go. TP3. Yo, what's up, Dennis? What's up, bro? Already in buys here on gold. Let's see. I did like the 30. 30 is rejected super nicely. 15, tweezer bottom. 5, trying to break out. So let's see if we can get some structure here. A higher low, somewhere here, or maybe here. Bounce, breakout, double bottom. Yeah, the break. Yeah, waiting for the break is definitely safer here. So let's see. Yeah, it's actually, yeah, I'll move this line to this high here because I really want to see the 5-minute close above this area here for more confidence in the buys here. We did tap into the fair value gap as well, so that's good. Also, the stops is they're placed like super well. Because if we should get stopped out here, honestly, I wouldn't mind. It's just it's a great stop loss placement. Can we get that breakout here? Can we get that BOS? What's 3-minute looking like? Yeah, 3-minute is looking like a possible inverted head and shoulder. Possible. You know, I'm not a big fan of this type of market patterns, but you know, sometimes they do work. So now I would like to see, you know, this fair value gap to hold, not get inversed. Possible, there's still a possibility of coming back down, creating a higher low. Create a lower wick for this candle because this candle has no lower wick. And then breaking out and then closing above. That should be the case, you know, we get a nice double bottom. If you're still not in the position, this will be the safest sign. And with that, you know, the trade overall will have a way higher probability than it has right now still, because it's still somewhat in a bearish market structure. Until we close above this high, pull back, and then continue higher. If that makes sense. But I was feeling these buys all day, man. I was waiting for this, so I'm really hoping this plays out. Let's look at the higher time frames here. Yeah, because we've had like so strong bounces here previously, where we see that this is a strong demand area. What time do we have? 3-6. We have around 24 minutes until stock exchange open as well, so we will see some volume here, or should see volume here fairly soon. Let's look at NAS here. Okay, so NAS seems very bearish, crazy bearish. Currently pulled back into this fair value gap here in the 1 hour, and it's rejecting so far. So possible sell from this point to this point is there. And then the DXY is bullish. Apparently not in correlation with gold again, because they're both kind of bullish. No, let me actually draw out this resistance over here. And let's go back to gold here. Okay, so price is still struggling to break out these highs here. Wait, why did I have a line there? What? But yeah, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat, guys. I'm here to go over questions, help you guys out wherever I can. And also guys, today we launched the Signals channel, so if you guys are interested in joining, click the link in the description. Actually, I have to update the link as well because I think it's still the waitlist link, but if you're lucky, you get in at the waitlist price maybe. Yeah, I also will be breaking down, right, the trades that we take in the signals, so you guys understand why we took the trade, what we saw, so on and so forth. So it's not just, you know, the cold signals, but every time you join the lives, you will get like a review of the signals that were sent in the channel, so it's like connected. Maybe you should check the link. Damn, why is it not loading though? Why is no loading? What's going on here? I don't know if the link is working for you guys, because it ain't working for me. It ain't working. Alright guys, never mind, whatever. Back to the topic, ladies and gentlemen. We are currently in a buy position on gold. I am anticipating a breakout fairly soon. Got in a little early. Conservative, you want to wait for this high to be broken and a strong bullish closure above. Once we get a closure above, let me mark this out. So once you get if we get a closure above, you then want to wait. You either could get in here, right? But then you'd have to be like, okay, where do I put my stop loss so the R multiple makes sense? If you want a better R multiple, then you wait for the breakout, and then you wait for price to kind of come back in this area and retest this. And here you can either place a buy limit like right at the white line, or you can just enter manually once price starts, you know, pulling back in this area. And now the next candle, you don't want it to bearish engulf and like close, let's say here. You don't really want that. Ideally, you want this candle to just pull into the area, reject, and close back above the white line, right? So once it closes above the white line, that will ultimately be your second possible entry criteria or entry area with a wick to the downside. So you get in here, and then you can place your stops below the fair value gap or below the rejection wick. That is a possibility, right? We're talking like in the future, maybe in the next 10-15 minutes, if we should get that. But obviously the market does not owe us anything. It could also just absolutely dump and stop us out, and that is part of the game. And guys, honestly, like what made me a better trader was just the fact to accept losses. And I'll be honest, like sometimes I'm like in long losing streaks of like 4 or 5 trades in a row where I just lose. But you cannot let those losses define you and break you. Instead, you have to use these losses to fuel you, not fuel, and to make you even stronger. And you can do that by basically just mentally preparing on accepting the fact that you will lose, right? You will lose. It's guaranteed, and you have to be willing to be fine with that loss. If you are struggling with losses and every time you lose you feel bad, you feel weird, you feel like re-entering, you feel like over trading, over leveraging, then you have a very big problem, and it's not the market, it's not your strategy, it is right here. This is a problem and you need to fix this, right? Because a lot of people be skipping mind day, right? They just want to focus on learning technicals, they want to focus on learning strategies, and you know what's the next best strategy out there, what's the highest win rate, but they absolutely neglect their mind. And you can see that. You can literally see the difference in well-performing traders and unprofitable traders. This is not the strategy, because at the end of the day, price could just go up or go down. So theoretically, any person, even without experience, should have a 50% chance of making money. But if your mindset is off, you're literally decreasing the chances of a 50-50 coin flip. If your mind is right though, and you have the right mindset, then you are increasing the odds of a 50-50 up to a 60 maybe. 60, maybe 70% of a chance. Alright, we're coming back down into the area. Still no closure above, so no breaker structure yet. The market is really asking for patience right now. We still have 15 minutes for the stock exchange open here. So far it's super choppy in this area. Like, we can literally see how many candles we've had in this area so far. So a breakout is due. The question is, will the breakout happen to the upside or to the downside? But honestly, I don't even care. Preferably to the upside. I don't care. It's just Monday, you know. We're just getting started with the week. But I'm still confident with the buys. I will be more confident after the breaker structure and if price can then close above the EMA. So if the EMA does something like this and we get a closure above the area, above the EMA, that's when I'm gonna literally be chilling. Before that, obviously price could also just continue the bearish trend that is in right now. You would prefer bullish push to 2680? Yeah, me too. Me too, Jazz. Me too, girl. But I feel it. I kind of feel it coming. I don't want to be too biased, but I kind of feel it today. Kinda. But we do have to wait and actually get some volume, man. Because right now, price not doing anything. Price be chopping right at break even. Okay, we're coming back into this area here. Your trades are safe? Yeah, that's the best thing. Then you could just literally chill. You could just chill. I want to see the bounce off this area here now. Obviously, you could also just break it, close below, and then create a higher low somewhere in this area, which would be fine as well. Only thing we don't want to see is price break these lows and close below these lows. It could break, reject again, give us a re-entry, but I want to see close below if I'm looking for the buys. Okay, 15 coming back down. Previously closed doji indecision here. We're coming back. We're probably coming back to retest 666. Probably. I want a higher low to be created, guys. Let's see higher low, man. What I mean by higher low is I want to see this here. Look, I want to see price not break these lows, but like do something like this, right? So reject it, create a higher low, push up, create a higher high, break this high. If we can get that, yo, I will be chilling. I'm already chilling, but I'll be double chilling if we can get that. I know there's a bunch of lines on the chart, man. I'm so sorry, guys. Actually, my chart does not look that cluttered. Let me just remove this one here, and let me remove this white line down here. I think now it should be a little better. Let me move this a little to the side. There you go. Well, I would love to actually like put on other music, bro, but I have to listen to this non-copyright music. But if it were up to me, I'd put on some Chris Brown, some Tory Lanez, and just vibe. Sadly, copyright is a thing. Otherwise, you'd see me grind and grind on me. Nah, guys, I'm losing my mind officially, bro. Trading is officially driving me crazy. Oh shit. Bro, Dennis, shut up. He's like, oh shit, bro. You're like, with what have I partnered up there, bro? Nah, I think it's important to be authentic and to be crazy sometimes. I don't like the stuck im Arsch type shit. Yeah, getting nervous. I'll strip on stream. Wouldn't be the first time. Call him Magic Evan. Nah, guys, for real, like, in my friend group, I was like literally popular for giving like, nah, I don't know if I should say that, honestly. For birthday dances, let's say like that. So every time someone in the group had a birthday, it was like, Evan, do your dance, and you know, I'll do a dance for the birthday kid. Back in the days, y'all, like 3-4 years ago, guys. Alright, back to trading. You don't want to see Magic Evan here now. Believe me, you don't. We rejected nicely the fair value gap and filled it 100%. If we can now get a pop out, that would be phenomenal. Phenomenal. Yeah, 15. We're getting it. We're getting it. Yo, Dennis, did you get a possible entry on German 40 or not yet? Let me actually add this to the... Wait, was it German 40? Small rejection candle. Yep, it is rejecting. It's looking juicy. Warte, auch da noch? Alright. Easy. I mean, it does look like it's right at the... What was it, at your entry area? Right. Yeah, it's right there. Let me update this real quick. Pull this up here. Possible breakdowns. So German 40 came back right in the area, so now like a nice BOS I think would be juicy here. But mind you guys, I personally don't trade German 40, but we do send signals in the signals channel. So now I'll probably be waiting for something like this. Breakout, close above this high as well. Gold is playing with us today again. Gold be playing. 7 minutes until stock exchange and look at gold. Gold's like teasing. You know, I try to pull back in the area, but I want to go down now. And yeah, now I'm gonna go down because yeah, I can. Because gold can. But that's why we gotta practice patience here. Can I turn this up? Let's make this shit bright as hell. There you go. What's the 3-minute looking like? Did we even get like a breaker structure anywhere? We didn't. We're still bearish, bro. No comment to that, gold. No comment. Can you give us a higher low, or can you give us a higher low? What's up? Also, by the way, guys, check this out. No news. It's a no news Monday. I love no news Mondays. Actually, like normally, but right now gold is acting up. Let's check for tomorrow though. Tomorrow we have PPI. PPI at what time is that? Is that 2:30? Yeah, 2:30 my time. So we'll be coming live like around 2:30 tomorrow, probably like right during the news to see how they impact the market. Then for the week, we have Wednesday CPI, crude oil. So no trading before CPI either. Thursday core retail sales. Yeah, retail sales should be chilling, and then Friday nothing. So it should be fairly smooth week. Oh, gold, come on. It's printing the teeny tiniest candles again. You sure already know what that means. Teeny tiniest candle. Also no close outside of the fair value gap yet. It did it's kind of doing it right now, but it hasn't closed outside. So, and honestly, I wouldn't be too surprised if price actually comes back down, takes out this low, creates a lower wick for it, taps into this area, and then rejects up. I wouldn't be surprised if that is what's happening. 4 minutes until stock exchange. Let's see. Will the bulls take over or not? Yeah, nothing here either yet. Let me actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna remove this trend line here, keep it a little cleaner, and now officially wait for the closure above this area. Yo guys, do you want to see a crazy keyboard that I got? Which is, this has to be the nicest keyboard I've ever seen in my life, and I'm not joking. Like, it's crazy, right? So get ready, guys. You ready for the keyboard? Boom. Look at that, guys. Hope you guys can see this. Wait, let me actually pull up the face cam here. Would you look at that, guys? It's literally real wood. Like, it's actually real wood, and it has like these Chinese signs and stuff. Exactly what I needed for my setup, because my setup is like all wooden. I also will be putting like wooden panels and everything, so it just fits perfect, and it's wireless. It does look cozy. And guys, like, the sound is so satisfying. It's like, I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'll try to type something here. Wait, give me a second. I don't know if you guys can. Let's do some ASMR. I hope you guys heard that. No, let's go back to the stream, guys. It's called Ako. Let me type this here. Not affiliated though, but damn that Ako keyboard. They also have different ones that look nice as well, but this was just perfect for my setup, so. Yo, Natalie, welcome, welcome. Willkommen. Happy Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed the little ASMR session here. Let me know if I should do that more often, you know. Oh, 30 seconds. We might bullish engulf this, guys, and we might head for the breakout now. That would be too juicy. Fit und munter. Yes, girl. Wir haben Energie, es ist Montag. Let's get it. Wir sind auch schon, oder ich bin in einem Trade. Ich weiß nicht, ob andere Leute im Trade sind. Ich bin auf jeden Fall im Buys. Und wir warten gespannt auf einen Break-Off Structure hier. No way, bro. Price comes like so close to bullish engulfing it, and then just. But we have stock exchange now. We have stock exchange. Let's get some volume here, honestly. Been in this trade for too long, bro. How long is that? It's like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. Freut mich. Ich hoffe, dir geht's auch gut, Natalie. Let's try this here, and let's hope for this to hold. And this be our new higher low. That would be perfect. Sehr schön, Natalie. Let's go. Let's go. Was that a 1 hour fair value gap? What time frame did I put it there? Oh, the 15. Ooh. Inversed type sheet. Inversed. Gold is also coming back down, guys. What? It's playing with us. Look at the candles. They're like choppy as hell. I wasn't expecting that much consolidation in the session, honestly. I guess the thing is starting again where during London session there's like smooth price action, and then New York is like shit. It is what it is though. If you guys join the signals channel, you will most likely also get signals during London. Also for gold, so it's gonna be a little higher probability plays probably. I don't know if I can update the link right now. Come on, let's get the breakout, guys. Bro, it's not working. Push, push, push to the upside. Yes, let's push, gold. Let's push. You guys probably think I do drugs. Guys, I don't. And you shouldn't either. I'm just crazy from natural. Danke, Natalie. Take care. Hab noch einen schönen Tag. I want to see the close above, y'all. It's playing. Come on. I thought 330 is like the shit, right? I thought we're gonna pop. But it's Thank you, Natalie. And your stop loss just is at 2666, right? I break even. Damn, it came super close. Bro, it does that, like, oh my god, guys, price is so choppy. 666.5. 666.5. Yo, it came off like 2 ticks or so before stopping you out. So I'm wishing you best of luck that it does not break this low, otherwise it's a €0 day for you. Oh my god, it's so choppy. What is DXY doing? Let's look at the DXY. Well, should be bearish, so gold should be bullish. Wait, we're pushing, guys. Actually getting something here. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. I mean, nah, never mind. I wanted it to close above, but maybe with the next candle we will get that, hopefully. Now, obviously, if we break the highs, we don't want price to close back below this low here to continue driving. But I feel like gold is taking its sweet time, waiting also for the EMA to approach this area, to then just absolutely scoop the shit and fly. That's my hypothesis. Uh-oh, mouse is acting up again. Yeah, the mouse is a problem. The mouse. Alright, it's looking good. Kinda. So it might have like a bearish impact, like a bearish move, like all the way down here. Stop out buyers, FOMO in sellers, and all the type of stuff, and then have a big push up. That if volume kicks in. What's that? Volume ticks? Oh. Yeah, so let's look at the volume ticks here. Is there like numbers? No. This was supposed to mean volume in the market, but that's not. Bro, like I said, we're coming back down, dude. Oh my god. $15 close, super small, indecisive, but kind of bearish as well. German 40 doing the same shit. Jazz is out. GG's Jazz, nevertheless. You know, break-even is always better than a loss, but then a loss, you know, it is what it is either way. German 40 acting up, yeah. What's up with the markets today, guys? What's up with that? I can almost guarantee you, if we would have had volume here, we would have already hit TP. But the problem right now is the lack of volume. It's not even the market structure or something, like it's the lack of volume right now. That's the only thing that is like hindering us on hitting TP. But sometimes there be these type of days, you know. We'll stick around. How long have I been on? 52 minutes. We'll stick around another, yeah, maybe another 35 minutes or so. If in 35 minutes I don't get anything and price is still in the same area, I will most likely close. Either I break even, small loss, or a small profit. Because I just don't see why, if price is consolidating, I should be, you know, staring at the screen, if that makes sense. Oh, now we're getting volume, but like in the wrong direction, obviously. That is so typical gold. Typical. Damn, that's a bad closure. Is it actually coming for our stop loss now? Is it? It does seem like it. Oh, imagine we actually end up breaking out to the downside here. So this fair value gap is invalidated as hell. Trendline invalidated as hell. Now we could only hope for this support to hold here, which I kind of feel like it's gonna break the lows, close back above, and then push up. Like it's gonna take liquidity down here. It's coming for the liquidity. And the liquidity resting down here is either gonna be more selling orders or buy orders, and it's either gonna like push through the liquidity and then just dump because there's more sellers hopping on here, or it's gonna push, grab, and then close back above and then take on the buyers. So yeah, that will be interesting to see what happens here in this area now. And depending on whatever happens, we can just react and adapt to it, or try to at least. Move this here. Triple bottom wouldn't be bad either, honestly. 17 minutes for the 30 and for the 1 hour. 2 for the 15. Yo, if the 15 could close rejecting, that would be dope. If it could close like up here, that would be super nice. German 40. Close back above the EMA for now. Bud is choppy still. Super choppy. So I'm still in the trade. I'm still in. Might not be for long. Oh my god, price action is so boring today. But that's part of the game. No, what do I have to Is this the possible double bottom we've been waiting for? Maybe. Maybe this is the possible bottle bottom. Double bottom we've been waiting for. I see you, Dennis. I see you. Let's check this out. Let's get that BOS, guys. Let's get it. Let's fucking get it, guys. Oh. You re-entered? Yeah, if we get that closure now, above, it's game time. But we need to close above right now. If price comes, rejects this area again and comes back down, I'm probably gonna close out in a small L, cause that will mean fucking barcode entire day, or for now. But if we could close out above it in the next 3 minutes, this is beautiful. Beautiful double bottom. BOS, ideally close above the EMA. Well, price after this should fly. Possibly fly. So really, let's hope for this volume to really push out now. I'm done with waiting here. Done. Yeah, please all the way to the moon. You said it, Jess. Please. Please go. Please pay us on a Monday, please. Yo, guys, don't think that I'm an emotional trader. I am not. I'm totally cool. No emotions, bro. I'm chilling, you know. But now you guys should watch the video of TJR trades, guys, when he loses. The way when he makes 58k. Guys, that video is insanely funny. Like, this dude has been trading for years, but when he wins or loses, he's like so emotional. It's like so funny. Let me see if I can search this out real quick. Let me see if I can find the video. We're breaking out, guys. Let's go. My biggest trade of the year, 56,000. Dude, the way this bro goes crazy. Oh, we're getting a breakout, guys. Let's get it. I see that on my other screen. But I gotta show this video to you guys real quick so you guys understand why this dude is like crazy. Can you guys hear the volume here? Let me know if you guys can hear it. What he's talking about. Or actually no, I think it's off. I think now. Now you guys should be able to hear it.
And mark out this trade. So today we have Jolt's job openings and ISM services.
Okay, so basically, let's skip where this dude goes crazy.
This was literally me just trading.
So it goes against him first, and he's like, "Bro, I shouldn't upload this." Are we dead ass right now? Guys, listen, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but dude.
We never doubted it, boys. We ain't never doubted it. We never doubted it. That's that reversal. I wasn't doubting that shit. We wasn't.
Bro, this dude. Look at that, guys. I absolutely love this guy as well, guys. I fucking love this dude, bro. Oh, guys, I think we hit TP1 actually. Then he tears his muscle, bro, and Gore's yelling, bro. Yeah, guys, nah, this dude, bro. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Let's go back to actually making bread here. Let me turn back on the music. And turn off chart screen audio. Alright guys, we're super close to hitting TP1. Let's go. Let's actually go. We got a nice closure above. Very confident now. We might get a pullback, right? No need to worry. No need to go crazy. Ideally, I want to see the drive through now, though. I want to see close above the EMA, and I want to see the drive up at least into TP2, where I will most likely close the entire position because I'll be waiting too long, bro. I'm not going to be waiting here hours upon hours. Okay, it's just an hour, but, you know, whatever. I'm not going to be waiting here an hour just to leave empty-handed, if you know what I mean. So let's smack that TP, guys. Ooh, so close. We're so close. Let's look at the German 30 here. German 40, my bad. Ooh, Dennis. Looking good. Looking very good. I like it. Close over EMA would be nice. Yeah. We got 2 minutes. I don't want to see reject because then I'm going to be like, bruh, party pooper. If we close above, it's like, yeah. The next candle will just pull into the EMA, hopefully. And then we're just going to get a breakout. But so far, guys. So far. Dude, I gotta control myself. I'm sorry. I'm just... Just the stop loss placement was just too good. Way too good. Like, that's why you place your stop loss below previous market structure point. Ain't no need to place your stops like here right in the middle of nowhere. Like, you gotta place it below the market structure point. If it breaks, it invalidates your trade. If it does not break and it respects it, then, you know, you could do this. Go back and profit. $21.60. $160. confused. 210. I'm confused, but whatever. We gotta close above the EMA, ladies and gentlemen. Now we should get a pullback, which is totally fine. How far do I want to see this pullback? Let's check it out with the fib. Yeah, like right into our possible entry area, the lowest. But ideally, just like right here and then bounce off the EMA and drive higher, because this is also the previous market structure point that we have here. This one right here. So I want to see price also hold above this area now. Sorry. Oh. Let me just. Okay. I'll just be quiet, just quiet. Alright. Ja, das mit den anderen Preisen, deswegen war ich voll verwirrt, Bro. Ich so, hä, was schickt der? Ich so, Digga, ich weiß nicht, ob du am Anfang gesehen hast. Du warst wahrscheinlich beschäftigt, aber... Achso, ich habe jetzt den Chart geschlossen. Oder hat es einen Stop-Loss geschickt und der Stop-Loss war irgendwie so todesweit unten, so hier ungefähr. Ich dachte mir, oha, schickt dir jetzt irgendwie Swings? W, Dennis. W. Guys, we came like so close to TB1. Like, let me zoom in on this. This close. And now we're pulling back. Because that's what gold does. What's that? 0.2 pips. Bro. All good, we're chilling. We're chilling. I just don't want to see it to close below 2670 again. That would be really bad. I would not like that at all. So let's see if we can reject somewhere in this area and just pop out. Yes sir, Dennis, let's go. WW. Yeah, it's the EMA 50, Jim Prime. 2 minutes here. I want to see it close outside of the 15 range here. Come on, gold. I want to see this close bullish engulfing as well. And not, please don't come back in the range, bro. Oh my god. This is not holding. We do have a huge fair value gap here though. Yeah, Jess. Maybe. Tap into the 50. Tap into the fair value gap. Push out. I mean, this is literally just price creating market structure. What goes up must come down. We were bearish here. Lower low, lower high, lower low. No, wait. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Equal low, higher high. So higher high, after higher high, we get a higher low somewhere. Could be here, could be here, could be even all the way here. And then we anticipate a new higher high. Right? So market is just doing what the market does at this point. Damn, that's looking so nice here. The price action on German 40. Juicy, bro. Where are my zones at? Excuse me? Hello? Can you load? Do I have to reload? Oh. Wow. There you go. Super zoomed in. Why not? Take it. Lower. Yo, trading view's acting up. Not showing my trade. Bro, we already have 4 p.m. man. Why is it not loading? It just doesn't want to load my position here. Whatever, I'll leave it like that. Okay, so the 1 hour actually closed pretty nice, guys. It closed bullish engulfing body wise. We already have 3 rejections on this area, so I really want to see price now just pull back a little bit, create a lower wick for the 1 hour, and then pop out at least up into 2678-ish. To basically retest the EMA, and possibly after that we might see a continuation of this bearish impulse here. So might be something like this, pull back in right in this area, and then another bearish impulse, maybe, yeah, might be all the way down here. So ideally once we are above TP1, I will be going break even, or once we hit TP1, and I will be getting out somewhere around here because it's already pretty late in session as well, if price should get there, if. But for now, nothing is decided yet. Price can also just dump, right? Disrespect this structure, disrespect this structure, and just stop us out, and then it is what it is. Because once you are in a trade, you can't really control them. You literally can't control the market. You just have to stick around and wait it out. You don't have to be fearful, you don't have to be hopeful, you just have to execute and stay patient and wait for the result, because it's either gonna go up or down sooner or later, right? It could consolidate for an entire day, but after the day it will go in a direction because it has to. Right? I just don't like that it's not showing my position. But honestly, like, all the time frames are looking good right now. Like, the starting at the 1 hour is looking good, the 30 is looking good, the 15 close above, outside the range, kinda broke and created a new higher high. So yep. Where is my zone at? Why is it not loading my trade, bro? If I redraw it, it's probably gonna... Where did we get in? I got that in right here. that's wrong. I had a 2.8 R. Here. Somewhere around here. Price coming back down. Ich bleib drin, bis der mich erneut im Break-Even haut. Wo bist du nochmal rein? Hier unten, oder? 2667. Yeah, so if we get a breakout now, and it pops out, and it respects this area as a support, and we close above these highs here, if that happens, we'll be going break even for sure, ski. 2664.8, 2664.8. Girl, you got the sniper entries. Damn, that's crazy. Choose just your R multiple should be insane. 64.8. And if you have your stops like literally below this low, the R multiple is would already be a 1 to 6 up here, and if you're targeting here, it's like a 1 to 13. It's crazy. But yeah, you could definitely go break even at this point. If you had an entry somewhere down here, I wouldn't want the price to come back down and bounce again. Otherwise, this would just be a barcode day, right? Barcode type day where price is just gonna do this all the time, and you don't really want to be involved in the market when it does that, because what it's gonna do is just gonna start playing with your emotions and your hopes and your fears, and nah, we don't want that. Yo guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna head to the toilet real quick. Would you look at that? Price is pushing. Can we bullish engulf that now, please? Pretty please, gold. Pretty please. Wait. Oh. Yes. We are looking juicy on both pairs. If we can't close back above the EMA and bullish engulf it, that would be great. That would just be great. I really don't have a lot of wishes. But one of my biggest wishes is for this to engulf. "39 seconds. Guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to leave a like on the stream. I see you guys. I appreciate you. If you are enjoying the stream so far, please smash the thumbs up. So, you know, I feel motivated to come back. Otherwise, it's like, meh. Yo, if we bullish engulf this in 15 seconds, I will stand on my chair and dance. I don't even care. If we bullish engulf this, I'll stand up and dance. It's not looking like it. 5 seconds here though. Nope. No dance for you guys. I'm sorry. It was gold's fault. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Oh, gold. Goldie, goldie. So I will kind of be adjusting my stop loss. I'm gonna minimize it here below this low here. So drag it just a little bit. Just a teeny tiny bit up. Because obviously I am betting on price holding these lows here now. And not, you know, coming back down, otherwise it's absolutely gonna invalidate the buys. So done. Wait, you already got out of the trade or what? Oh, look at that. We're coming back right in the range, right what I didn't want for price to do, dude. Dude, like, gold today is like an emotional roller coaster. I mean, not really emotional, but it's like a roller coaster today. It's like up, down, up, down, up, down. I do not want to see this 15 bearish engulf the previous one. Otherwise, I might start managing risk here. Because it's like already kind of late in session as well. And it's failing to break out time and time again. But it's also failing to break the lows as well. So this is called consolidation. Bro, how long have we been in this trade, man? Got in here 1 hour and 20 minutes and we're break even. Yo, I should be closing this shit. I should be closing. This is not good. Because typically when I get in, I want to be out like in an hour. Like at TP. Or stop loss, doesn't matter. But the fact that we're currently at break even and still in the position is like critical. It's critical. Like I said, we have 1.5 minutes. If we bearish engulf right here and close below this bullish candle, I will be closing my position. So that's just basically the active risk management that I do. Because if I see that price is failing to break to the downside and to the upside various times, it's like the market is showing me that there's not enough volume to push right now and I don't want to be involved. Obviously, if it bearish engulfs and I get out and afterwards we see the push, then it is what it is. But I'm just making decisions based off what the market is showing. Now, if it does not bearish engulf, then I will continue to hold because that means that there might still be the potential of bouncing off and breaking out. So 50 seconds. Yeah, it could be forming lower high here. Yep. Could still be that. So basically, but it's like taking so long, y'all. Could be basically this here. Now, ideally, the next thing should be this. I'll just leave it there to manifest it. Let's manifest this type of candle, guys. Yeah, only positive mindset, exactly. We stay positive. But it's also important to be realistic. So when a setup is like invalid, then it's invalid. Then it's important to be realistic and just call it and come back tomorrow. But so far we've not closed outside the fair value gap, so it's still holding. And we might still see a bounce in that area. Market is slow as hell. Be slow as hell. Are we popping, guys? Are we popping out? Did we manifest the candle? We might have manifested our candle here. $15 is fine because we didn't bearish engulf the previous candle. 30 is nice. It's looking good, rejecting the downside so far. The 1 hour as well. Let's see. I just wanna hit I just wanna hit TP1 and then just go break even. And then honestly just let it ride. That's all I'm wishing for right now. So we're off how many pips? Yeah, we're off around 42 pips until break even. Until I could go break even. Because if I were to go break even right now, I could literally just get tagged out again, and then for pullback, and then prices flies. But if I wanted to, I can manage my risk and theoretically play stops below this low here to like half the stop loss size. Got a doji, so that's not looking good. Volume died down again, actually. Here we had some good volume kicking in, but then it died down again. So that's unfortunate. No follow through. Yo, if there's anyone new to the channel, guys, make sure to leave a like on the stream, and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future streams. I come live almost every day and do this crazy trading. We're about to break the lows on the 3-minute, which I'm not liking. Do. 2 minutes for this 5, bro. Please don't close below the lows. I thought that, you know, based off the breakout, we could just drive after that, but apparently there's not enough buyers right now backing it up, which is very unfortunate. Yeah, 1 hour 25 minutes approx. What time do we have? Yeah, I'll be on another 10 minutes, guys. If nothing really happens in the next 10, I will probably close in a small loss, or it's either gonna hit stop loss or it's gonna break out and I'll move stops to break even, whatever it is. I'll wait another 10 minutes here, 10, 15. I kind of want to eat chocolate right now. I kind of want to eat Duplo right now. Do I still have Duplos? Oh, we're about to invalidate the fair value gap as well. Ugh. Yeah, it's not gonna be. I don't think it's gonna be the bias. Yeah, if we close strongly bearish in the next 20 seconds, I might just manage my trade here and close out, because I'm not up for that shit. I'm not up for this shit. Wow. So that was not the higher low that we wanted on the 5. So this is bullish. This could be potential higher low, but it's really not looking great. Because we just came below back the range. We should have stayed above the range for the continuation. We came back down into the barcoding area where I really don't want to be in the market. So yeah, guys, I'm closing out here, honestly. I'm calling it right here. So basically, I don't care how this ends up playing out now. I got out like somewhere around here at 50% of the actual anticipated loss. And now the reason I did that is because, first of all, we've been in the trade for 1.5 hours. That's a little too long for me to be in a position without price moving at all, right? So that's that. Then we came super close to TP1. If price would have hit TP1 and then pulled back into this area and then like bounced, then I would have gone break even. So this would theoretically be a break even trade by 0.2 pips. Missed out on that, so that's fine. It is what it is. Then number 3 is, even if we came close to TP1, I wanted to see price pull back right in this fair value gap area and not disrespect it and respect this white line and basically do something like this and then drive back up. But it failed, right? We see this right here. It failed. And now after seeing this candle over here, this bearish candle close outside the fair value gap and validating it and closing and breaking these lows here, this was my sign to just manage my risk and get out because it's just struggling right now. Does that mean that there's not the possibility anymore of price driving up? No, there is still the possibility as long as we can manage to hold above these lows here. But I don't want to be in the market anymore. Typically when I get in on the trades, like you guys will see that in the future as well. When I get in, I want to hit TP in the next 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. It's either going to be TP or stop loss. But if it's like this, where it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, I'm just like up for that. And I don't really have the time and the energy for this. So, yeah, if you guys want to still hold, right? If you got in on the buys and you still want to hold, have your stops below this low at least. And then if you get tagged out, you know, it is what it is. Super, super, super duper slow day, which is very unfortunate because I was really looking forward to some nice moves and some nice volume on this Monday. But hey, we can't force ourselves on the market. The market is just gonna do what it wants to do, and in this case, you know, it just wasn't enough volume today. Coming to tomorrow though, what do we have tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow we have PPI at 2:30, so I will be live at around 2:30, so we're gonna see the PPI movement together and then maybe have some nice volume to what do I want to say, yeah, some nice volume to trade off. But that's it from me, guys. If you haven't yet, leave a like on the stream, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 2:30. Take care.